I hope you will be fine. Yes, it is your store, and I have added the logo of your store, but you can see here its length and the width is too large, and in the your theme is not providing the custom section for to control the logo's width and high length and width for your logo. So to solve this problem, we will apply the custom CSS in your WordPress WooCommerce store. So for this purpose, you just require to click on the section which you want to get the custom CSS. Just right click on it, and you will see the inspect option. And just click on this like inspect option, and here you will see it will load all the HTML code of your store's page in the inspect section, where you can see the different elements, controls, source, network, performance, and memory used due to your home page. You can imagine all the things from here. So it will load all the HTML code related to your home page, and you can see here it is loading. It is HTML code of your page, and here it will load all the styles related to your store's home page, like properties, accessibility, events, and all the styles you will see here. It is loading here. So we will just custom the logos length and width through this custom style, and after that we will copy and paste the custom CSS field which will be available in your store. So for this purpose, this is actually, we will click on this one. According to new style rules, you will see here, this is actually you can see when I hover the cursor here, the site header, you can see, and the color of the logo image, it is showing that this style available for this section. So here it is width and the max width. We will just apply the different options here. Like currently it is 100%, and let's suppose I changed it to 30, and then we will check what will happen with it. I have just applied the 30. So you can see here it is now its width has reduced and also the length reduced. And now I will just copy this section. This complete section, Control C, and move toward the dashboard of your WordPress WooCommerce store. And when you will click the customize option under the appearance in your dashboard of WordPress WooCommerce store, and you will see the different options available to customize the theme settings like site identity, header, footer, background colors, typography, like the text color, fonts, sizes, and also the buttons, layouts, widgets, and all you can see here. So we will just require to click on this, like you can see here, the option additional CSS. We just require to click on this, and then we will paste our custom CSS here. It is the section where we can paste our custom CSS which we want to apply in our store, and I will just click on Control V, and you can see here now it is looking much better. And to customize the length and width of this current theme not available from the theme provider, so we just apply here the CSS to control the length and width by applying the custom CSS in your store. So it is super easy. If you want to increase or decrease, you can control all the settings from here. So no, we will just require to publish it. Whatever changed we will make in our customized section, we require to click on this one like publish option. Otherwise, it will not the publish the changes which will you may made in your store. So it is published successfully, and now I will move to the your store where we have opened your store, and I will click on this like to finish this inspect portion of your store. And now I will refresh the page, and you will see the changes here, and you can see the biggest difference. Like we control the logo length and width through custom CSS, and that will not provided by the the store's theme provider in for your WordPress WooCommerce theme. So you can see here now it is looking too much better. So thank you.